How to fix games not opening on Windows 11. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix games that are not opening or launching on your Windows 11 PC. If you've been facing issues with the games not starting, don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy solutions, so let's get into it. First things first, make sure your system meets the minimum requirements for the game. Check the game's page on Steam, the Microsoft Store, or the developer's website to confirm your PC's specs meet or exceed the game's requirement. Sometimes a simple restart can fix game launching issue. If you haven't done this yet, try restarting your PC. Just right click on the start menu and select the restart option. This can often clear up any minor software glitches. If the game still doesn't launch, try running it as an administrator. Right click on the game shortcut or executable file and select run as administrator. This grants the game additional permissions that might be required to start properly. Another thing to check is whether your system is up to date. Simply open settings and go to Windows Update. Click on check for updates and make sure everything is up to date. Outdated graphic drivers can also prevent games from opening. To update them, go to Device Manager by right-clicking the Start menu and selecting Device Manager. Expand to Display Adapters and simply click on Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated drive software. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions get your game up and running again.